everybody. In one of my last AliExpress videos, I did a doll die cut video, and I was missing one doll when I did the video, and it just showed up. So, this is a little girl I got that has an umbrella. So I got this big umbrella here. There's the handle there. She's got a little raincoat, her little booties, and her little socks, and her hands there to hold the umbrella. Got lost along the way, and it just showed up. And I think it's a little dress piece. Yeah, that's the little dress piece right there. So it goes right here, so her dress goes underneath there. Little jacket there. So I thought that was cool. A little late, but I'm glad I got it. Kind of wonder where some of these things disappear to sometimes. But yeah, so that is my little girl die cut. I'm pretty sure I got all of them now. I think there might be a couple more still out there. But I think I have all the ones that AliExpress sells. So I think I got a full set now. So I got that item. And not everything's die cuts, just so you know. I get a little carried away with the die cuts. This is another die cut. This is Panda Bear one. So it can be just a normal bear, or you can turn it into a panda bear because it's got a little face and stuff right here. And this little paws right there. So that is a panda bear. I have not used this one or this one yet. So, yeah, so I got a panda bear die cut. Let's see. Oh, stickers. So I got these stickers. This is how AliExpress sells them. They come in this little box. I have ordered Christmas ones, but they're probably not going to show up till later. But that's okay. So I ordered 2 of these, and I'll show you what these look like. So I just opened the one. See, there's little bears, rabbits, little sheepies. Look at that cool deer. Those are cool. Be happy. I like these stickers because they're all different. They're all different sizes. Look at that cool bunny. All the bunnies in this one. So little giraffekins. Oops. A cat. That's a cool cat one. And they send squares too. Are you happy? I'm happy. I got stickers. Yeah, so it's just little different designs. All look very cute. So I got 2 boxes of those. They were like super cheap. They were under $1. Under $1 for 2, I think. Oh look, there's a Hello Kitty one. Cool. So there are those. Got a box of stickers. And then I got these. Look at these bookmarks. Let's get a little closer here so you can see it. There's a deer. A rabbit, like Alice in Wonderland. I ordered 2 of everything. So there's another deer. There's a cat. Another cat. Here's a key. Here, this one's better. There's another key. And a rabbit. So those are the bookmarks. Same seller. Or 2 of each design. These are going to be for pocket letters. So I'm going to probably give those away. Let's see what else I got here. No. I don't know why I ordered these. I thought they're cool. It's a cat sticker. And I ordered 2. They were on sale. Why? I don't know. Must have been one of those 1 o'clock in the morning, can't sleep, let's order online times. So yeah, I ordered these cat stickers. They had a picture like of a light switch here, so it looks like the cat's sleeping on top of the light switch. Or you can put them on your laptop too, I guess. So yeah, it wasn't even $1. So yeah, and then let's see. Oh yeah, I got these. I am just starting to use these kind of things. These are stamps. So you have like you take it out of here and it's like sticky, and it sticks to like a piece of plastic. It has a little handle on it, and then you can just stamp pad. So these are rubber stamps. So without the block of wood part. Yeah, they're just clear plastic. Rubber stamps. So I've got yeah, these little girls, and then you can just stamp it with black, and then you just color it in with the marker. So I thought those were cool. I got 3 of them. I think it came to like $1 or something for 3. So I thought that's cool. So I'm gonna keep one to use, and then I'll send one of these in pocket letters. So those are cool. I got a whole bunch of different stuff this time. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this is for me. It is an N7 pin. If you don't know what N7 is, that's okay. It's Mass Effect, the video game. So I thought I had to order something for N7 Day, and this is what I ordered. I'll get it out of the plastic for you. So I don't know how well you can see it. It's got the N7 logo and the Alliance logo is in the background. It's shiny. It's hard to see it, but it is there. And then see if I can read the outside. It's pretty tiny. Yeah, it says like Special Forces training on around the outside. Training program. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I needed something for N7 Day, so I bought myself a pin. So if you don't know what it is, it's okay, but it is for a video game. So I thought that was pretty cool. They have other designs too if you are a Mass Effect fan. So I can probably put that on my jacket. Now that I showed you it, I can put it on my coat. Also, I have, here is 2 of these. I have not used them. I'm not totally sure how they work, how they're going to work. But yeah, I ordered 2 of these. So there's just a die cut. So odds are it'll probably just be the shape. And then maybe the imprint of the dress will get pushed in. So maybe I will cut them in white and then maybe color them. I haven't fully decided on those yet. So yeah, so I got 2 of those. I honestly thought they'd be bigger because they're just, thought they'd be a little bit bigger. But that is okay. So I ordered those together at the same time. They showed up pretty close to the same time too. So yeah, so then I got those, and I got one more thing to show ya. These. I'm trying to get into jewelry making, so I thought, oh, these are cool. So they're just silver tags, and they say "Dream" on them. So I thought I could probably add it to like a necklace or a bracelet that I'm making. That I'm gonna make. So they have dream, love, hope, peace. There's a whole bunch of them. So to choose from. So I will add the links to each item below, so you can check them out. Because there's a bunch of them. There's like 10 different ones you can get. I'm pretty sure. So just a quick recap. Everything I bought was not very expensive. I don't try not to spend over $30 per like order. So everything was not very expensive. So I think these were maybe $1. These two were probably $1. These maybe were $2. Yeah. This was probably close to $4. Die cuts can be expensive. You gotta watch your pricing. The cats were probably $1. These were stickers for probably just $1. The pin, I think the pin was maybe $2. I know it's little, but $2. And these, I don't know, maybe $4 for all these. So yeah, I think it was a good haul. This is all good stuff. A lot of this stuff, like out of all this pile, you know, a lot of it I'm gonna give away. Like that's gonna go in my jewelry, which I'm gonna make, which I'm gonna give away. These I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep one. Probably gonna give one away. Gonna keep one to use, and probably gonna give those away. Of course, I'm getting the die cut. I don't give those away. That's mine. That's definitely 100% mine. It's going on my coat. Those I'll probably give away. Stickers, I give all those away. Bookmarks, I'll give all those away. So yeah, that is my AliExpress haul for this time. There is more stuff coming. Stuff still in packages. There's more stuff in the mail because of the mail strike, so some of it is way behind. I think some of it won't show up until January, even though they say December. It's just the way it is. So yeah, that is my AliExpress for this time. I'll put the links in the bottom. Check it out, and later.